So this is my wife's current laptop setup right now, and you can see it's a wooden block, kind of a little bin. The laptop is then right here underneath all of that, and you see it sits it right there. But the problem is if you leave it like that, the cats will actually walk across her keyboard while she's not watching. So we kind of mounted this across it, and she uses this keyboard. The whole thing's just kind of a mess of stuff stacked on other stuff, because we have cats and we have to get that keyboard out of the way, and she still has to use a laptop. So we went ahead and got a professional laptop stand, and I'll show you how much different it all looks after we clean it all up and set everything up. And here's the laptop stand right out of the box. It does have little rubber feet on the bottom, so I can put it onto the table and it won't scratch. It does spin, kind of clicks and rotates, and then there's obviously you can bend here and it can bend right here, and it's very, very tight, so you can kind of keep it. It'll be nice and solid. And so now my wife's gonna go ahead and set it up at some point, and we'll see how the whole thing looks. And here's the same desk 30 minutes later. As you can see, my wife set up her laptop with all of her stuff here. She doesn't use this keyboard. She uses an external keyboard, so she's able to do that. This is actually higher and perfectly level with her head, so she's able to change the height better than before. She actually has a second laptop over here and a monitor hooked up to this one. It is a beautiful desk now. Look at all this extra space, all because of this little stand that she bent and moved around here. You can see it's very adjustable, and again, it does rotate if needed. It's a nice silvery metal. It looks really, really nice, really professional. Wow, quality. Yeah, highly recommended.